After the medical field, you can get the highest paying jobs for a degree in finance. A degree in finance may include a bachelor's in economics, business administration, commerce, or any related field. Most jobs require a bachelor's degree for an entry-level financial position. The jobs can be in the banking sector, investment sector, insurance companies, financial management department, tax, and accounting fields. Finance jobs are in high demand today. With the rise of the banking and investment sectors, there are now a number of jobs for financial advisors, insurance advisors, and private banking analysts, which pays a good amount of money to the job holders. Apart from these, you can be an accountant or a tax director by passing the CPA certification exam. The job of an auditor, internal auditor, or information technology auditor is also considered a well-paying job but expects a good experience from the job applicants. Let's check some of the top finance careers. Due to the increased demand, finance jobs usually pay you well. Even a beginner can expect an annual income of $50,000 to $60,000 in the financial sector. With experience, you get a lot of scope for getting higher paying jobs in the field. In today's video, we will give you details about the top paying jobs in finance, with finance salaries, job requirements for each job, and more. Investment banker. An investment banker is one who gives advisory services to people who have little or no knowledge about how and where to invest their money. Some people who have good knowledge about the investment market but lack enough time to keep a watch on the market also opt for hiring an investment banker. Government organizations, corporations, and more also look for these services in order to get easy returns on their investment. The duties of an investment banker include doing thorough research on the investment market and advising clients on when and where to put their money in order to get good returns. They also act as money borrowers. They invest the money borrowed from their clients and return it with interest within a fixed period of time. The salary is $35,000 to $300,000 per year. Financial analyst. A financial analyst is basically a person who analyzes the finances of an organization and capital growth opportunities. A good experienced financial analyst is a need and can prove to be highly beneficial to a company's growth. The duties of a financial analyst include making strategies for financial modeling, examining the investment market and giving reports, and advisory services. The salary is $60,000 to $120,000 per year. Personal finance advisor. A personal finance advisor is a trained or experienced person who has good knowledge about how to allocate finances in the best possible way and thus directs his clients toward achieving financial growth. People look for a finance advisor to plan retirement planning, budgeting, and more long and short-term investment strategies. It can be called one of the best-paying jobs in finance and consumer services. This job requires meeting clients, discussing their goals, and planning accordingly, convincing potential clients to tie up with them. The salary is $55,000 to $110,000 per year. Financial manager. They are experienced people in the field of finance. They take control of the finances of an organization. It is one of the best-paying jobs in finance. The job of a financial manager is in high demand and is considered a well-paid job, but you need to have considerable experience in the field of finances in order to get hired. It requires understanding the company's financial goals, advising the senior managers of an organization on taking fruitful steps with the company's finances in order to achieve their goals, and making financial reports, maintaining company statements and forecasts. The salary is $90,000 to $150,000 per year. Financial risk manager. A financial risk manager deeply analyzes the financial scenario of an organization in order to look after the potential risks so that he can make strategies to counteract if the company faces the effects of risks. It requires understanding the financial condition of a company, analyzing the risks involved, and making plans and strategies so that the company can counteract cases of a threat caused due to potential risk. The salary is $40,000 to $220,000 per year. Economist. The basic idea behind which economists work is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Thus, an economist looks after the availability of resources, demand and supply of products, modern and cost-efficient techniques of production, taste, and preferences of the customers, and other minute details to maximize its clients' satisfaction. It requires to make a study of the available resources, studies of the demand and supply of the product in the market, and the most feasible profit-giving techniques of operation. The salary is $60,000 to $200,000 per year. Private Equity Associate. A private equity associate is one of the top-paying finance jobs. The job requires the person to work in the investment banking field. He has to make relations with potential investors and maintain ties with existing clients while helping them throughout the process of their deal. The job duties of a private equity associate can be stated as finding investors for the firm and be able to maintain good relations with new as well as existing clients and having good knowledge of the equity market so that he can give proper guidance to the clients. The salary is $60,000 to $200,000 per year. In conclusion, the field of finance offers a wide range of lucrative and rewarding career options for individuals with a keen interest in numbers, analysis, and strategy. From investment banking and corporate finance to accounting and financial planning, there are several paths to success in the finance industry. However, it's essential to have the right qualifications, skills, and experience to excel in this highly competitive field. Whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced professional, pursuing a career in finance can lead to great financial rewards, career growth, and job satisfaction. Ultimately, finding the right finance career path depends on your interests, strengths, and long-term career goals. By exploring the different options and gaining the necessary skills and knowledge, you can build a successful and fulfilling career in finance.